Hi, my name is Greg Palya, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today I wanted to go over the 4 ways an elastomeric roof coating can save you money. And the first way is that it can avoid a complete tear-off. So most roofs, when they have leaks and they're damaged, you have to completely take them all off and start from scratch. But instead, if the roof's in good working order, then you can put an elastomeric roof coating over that and totally avoid that. Usually you can save about 2 to 3 times what a tear-off would cost by installing coating instead. The second one is that it can save on your energy bill, and by 15 to 35%. And that's because most roofs have a black top on there if they're rubber. By putting coating over that, it's usually white. It reflects the sun a lot better. Keeps the top of your roof a lot cooler, which means your HVAC unit doesn't have to work as hard. Third one is that it's considered maintenance, not another roofing layer. Building code says you can only have 2 layers on a commercial building. So if you already have 2 layers, if you're going to put another one on, you automatically have to take off one layer. But by putting coating over top of it, it's not considered a layer, and you just put it over top and avoid tear off. And the last thing is that it saves time, and you know time is money. If you have to repair your roof and rip it all off instead of putting coating over, you gotta take it all off, put it to the dumpster, take it away. Just a lot of time, a lot of people on your roof. And instead you can just put a coating over top of it, and it's usually about 30% less time than doing a complete tear off. So that's what I got for you today. There's certainly more details in the description. There's a URL that goes to the blog post, some more details. But today, I hope you learned at least something new. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.